Hi everyone, we're going to have a look at question 4 on exercise 10D in this video. So the question says a rhombus has diagonal lengths of 12 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Find the larger angle. So the first thing you need to know is what is a rhombus. A rhombus is pretty much a fancy name for a diamond. So I'll get up a picture. Here, this is a rhombus. An important thing to know about a rhombus as well is that all of these side lengths here are all the same size. So it says it has diagonal lengths of 12, so that means this length here will be 12 centimeters and this length here will be 7 centimeters. So then it says find the larger angle of the rhombus. So the larger angle of the rhombus is, you can see in this diagram, it's this angle here. So because we're doing right angle trigonometry, I'm going to be focusing on this right angle triangle here, because if I can find this angle here, all I have to do is double that answer to get the rhombus angle. Alright, so my side lengths on this triangle would be, this length here would be 6 and this length here would be 3.5. So now this is my angle that I'm looking at. Let's call this one theta. So this 6 here is going to be my opposite angle and 3.5 is my adjacent angle. So now if I think of my SOHCAHTOA, I've got opposite and adjacent, which is TOA. So I've got tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So now if I put in my values, tan theta equals opposite, which is 6 over adjacent, which is 3.5. So my next step now is I want the angle here theta by itself, so I need to move tan. So the way I move tan is I do the inverse. So theta becomes tan to the minus 1 brackets 6 over 3.5, and I get 59.7 degrees. So the last step, we go up and we check what the question was. It was find the larger angle of the rhombus. So if I'm now looking back here at my rhombus, this is the angle that I'm looking for. And I know that this part here is 59.7. So to get this whole angle, I'm going to go 59.7 times by 2, which gives me approximately 120 degrees. So here's a question now that you guys could try yourselves that's similar to question 4. So it says a smaller angle of a rhombus measures 21.8 degrees and the shorter diagonal has a length of 13.8. Find the lengths of the sides of the rhombus. So if we insert another rhombus, I'll help you guys with the diagram and then you can continue on yourselves. So this angle here is 21.8 and the shorter diagonal, so we're looking at this length here, is 13.8, and it wants you to find one of these side lengths of the rhombus. So if I was looking at this question, I would be, if I put in this other diagonal length here, really I need to know, if let's call this length here x, if I know this length here x, then I could use Pythagoras to find this length here of y. So have a look at the question that we just did before and see if you can work this one out and put your answers in the comments. Good luck!